The Indian Armed Forces have recently signed contracts for additional Israeli-made Heron Mk2 drones through emergency procurement procedures. This decision follows the drone's successful deployment during Operation Sindoor in May 2025. India and Russia are set to engage in detailed negotiations regarding the procurement of long-range air defense systems. The discussions will primarily focus on the S-400 Triumph missile systems and the replenishment of missiles that have been expended. Aeronautical Development Establishment, part of DRDO, has initiated the development of an advanced swarm UAV platform. This development follows the Defense Acquisition Council recent approval for an indigenous autonomous swarm drone system aimed at enhancing India's unmanned aerial capabilities. Indian Air Force has decided to abandon its plans to acquire surplus C-17 Globemaster III heavy transport aircraft from the United States Air Force. This decision comes after an exploration of the possibility of obtaining additional C-17 which was deemed unfeasible due to the American Air Force's own operational needs. India-Russia Business Forum is scheduled to take place on December 4 to 5, coinciding with Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to India. The primary goal of the forum is to enhance trade and investment relations between the two nations, with an ambitious target of achieving $100 billion in bilateral trade by 2030. India's defense technology market is on a significant growth trajectory, projected to expand from a valuation of $7.6 billion in 2025 to $19 billion by 2030. This growth represents a compound annual growth rate of nearly 20%. India's nuclear triad is poised for a substantial upgrade with the upcoming commissioning of INS Aridhaman, the third indigenously built nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine. Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi made this announcement on 2 December 2025, ahead of Navy Day, highlighting the vessel's final phase of sea trials and imminent induction into the Indian Navy. Israel Aerospace Industries is the sole contender for the Indian Air Force project to procure 6 aerial refueling aircraft, valued at approximately 8,000 crore rupees. The company has confirmed its commitment to the Indian government's Make in India initiative, which mandates 30% local compliance for the program. Patricia Marines, an independent analyst focused on Europe and Eurasia, has spoken in favor of continued investment in India's HAL Tejas program, following a tragic crash at the Dubai Air Show on 21 November 2025. India is set to complete the delivery of the third and final consignment of BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles to the Philippines, marking the end of a significant $375 million deal initiated in January 2022. This development is crucial in enhancing bilateral defense cooperation amid ongoing tensions in the South China Sea. Indian Navy is actively pursuing a significant acquisition deal for 6 new conventional diesel-electric submarines with advanced stealth capabilities. This initiative is part of the Project 75I program, with goal of finalizing contract negotiations and signing the deal by the end of the current financial year. On Monday, the Indian Army successfully conducted a combat launch of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile from a test range located in the Bay of Bengal. This mission was a collaborative effort involving a BrahMos unit from the Southern Command and elements from the Tri-Services Andaman and Nicobar Command.